So I've just showered right now. Now getting ready. Actually, an interesting thought happened in our mind. In my mind, what if we change the thought of our thinking of our thought from negative to positive? It's like I didn't wake up at 12 o'clock. I can wake up earlier at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, and I can do it. Even a 1% improvement is improvement for um, even a 1% improvement is 99% left of 0. Instead, if we see, is 0 from 100 is a long path, 1 to 100 is a short path. So it's good. I will do it tomorrow. I will wake up on time as per my schedule tomorrow. It's a positive thought. So I have just so actually I didn't record today at all. I had a long day actually. I went to Thane Station Market, help mom to get a Bengali sari, actually Kerala sari, which she only purchased. I didn't help her. I just dropped her, and I was then I purchased books from Jagdish bookstore. Then I had bought some socks. Then I woke up at 12 o'clock. I had rushed. Then I had rushed to Viviana Mall to just collect a suitcase. I had some work there also. Just Viviana, then rushed to Thane station to collect mom and dropped her off to near my home where she had some work. Then I went home, prepared a morning shake. Am I saying morning shake? No, yaar. I prepared a protein shake, sorry. Protein shake. Then after drinking protein shake, after having some banana or something, I went to doctor's office near the Hiranandani hospital. So near the Hiranandani hospital, I then after the doctor's appointment, I came back. Then went to the medical guy for some clarification of the bill. Then came home. Then in middle I went to a mandir, actually, a Ganpati's mandir. It was great. There was aarti going on, but in the middle I had to go. I felt a little guilty also, actually. Then went to home. Then I'm walking right now after dinner. Also had reset my Apple Watch and gave it to mom. So she needed it. So that was my whole day 3 actually. So that was my whole day. No studies today. I regret it actually. I have to do it better. That's a positive thing. Today I was also talking about negative and positive. So if you have a negative thought which leads to negative feeling, which leads to negative outcome, you can convert that negative thought to a positive thought which leads to a positive feeling which leads to a positive outcome. Example, I'll just say example. See, when my doctor, I felt कि my doctor overcharged me. Normally 100 rupees होता है, वो 1000 rupees लिया आज, because so that negative thought, I turned it into positive thought. First of all, I'll talk about my negative thought, which was like कि, is it because I did something wrong or something? No, it wasn't. Why would I do something wrong in doctor's office? Yeah, no, yeah. So after that, I turned into a positive thoughts कि like, yeah, maybe it can be because I'm seeing the doctor after like 2 to 3 months. Maybe it will be cause of that, maybe. So like, yeah, so that's that.